All right, so here we are, getting closer to having 2466 Stonecrest to drive in Fort Collins, ready for market. Yard elves have obviously been mulching away, and as you can see, they've still got a giant pile of rock to put in, but the front yard's looking great. I think the yard elves just turned up actually. I'm guessing that rock is going here. Let's check on the stucco repairs. So this was all caulked on the garage. That all appears to be done. And then all around the windows as well. All appears to be done. Here's where we had some damage on the post. I mean, wow. All looks good and great there. Caulking around the front door. There's the back side of that post. And this one. It almost looks too good now because it's so fresh. Caulking around the windows. Looks like they did a little repair here. I only know because I'm looking for it. Showed you that window already. My previous video. That one too. That one. Did some caulking up the side there. And underneath. We knew about that. Caulking up the side of that railing. They may have done just a little repair there on the wall. Yep, because they repaired this as well. Not a perfect match there, but I'm not terribly concerned. That's just staining. I know it wasn't cheap, Mark, but it does appear like they did a very thorough job. I don't think I've missed anything. If I have, let me know. I think you're good to go there. All right. We'll be on the market soon. Give you some more shots here of the landscaping. And the giant pile of rock. See ya.